I pack in a carry-on for like a 2-week trip. So just want to quickly show you guys what I have going on. So I have 14 days worth of stuff, including the outfit that I would be wearing on the plane. So the first step in packing light is do not take stuff that you don't need. You're gonna wear something on the plane, so just wear something that's like really comfortable, that you don't mind sitting down for like 3, 4, whatever, however many hours that you're gonna be on the plane. So that always counts as like my first day outfit. And then here on this bench, I have 13 other outfits. I have 6 pairs of pants, 6 tops, and then the rest are just dresses and rompers. That's one way to cut down, just have like an easy outfit, something that's thin or little sets, so that way you don't have to like figure out how much mixing and matching you need to do. I have exactly the amount of underwear that I need. I have no idea who came up with this thing about like, oh, you can never pack too many underwear. Yeah, you can. You don't change your panties 3 or 4 times a day when you're at home. You don't need to change your panties 3 or 4 times a day when you're on vacation. Pack what you need. This is something extra that I have. I like to take washcloths because I feel like a lot of hotels and Airbnbs don't have washcloths, but your girl ain't getting in the shower without using a washcloth. Umbrella, my adapter that works for multiple countries, so that way I don't need multiple adapters if I'm gonna do a little bit of country hopping. Makeup bag, my small clear bag for toiletries, and that's about it. I'll grab some shoes as well. So I'm gonna pick 2 pairs of shoes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I pack this entire bag. All right guys, I actually wanted to mention one thing before I get into packing. If you go somewhere where you need a pair of like hiking boots or sneakers, what I like to do is I like to wear them on the plane, so that way they don't take up room in my bag. So in this type of situation, I have summery clothes that I'm gonna be packing, but let's say I wanted to do some sort of hiking or running while I'm there, I would wear my sneakers on the plane, and I would just pack my sandals and some like shower shoes or beach shoes, put them in a plastic bag, and those would be what I actually pack. And just to give you guys an idea of what my carry-on looks like, it's a rolling bag. The sides are hard, but this is like the smallest, one of the smaller versions of a rolling bag, and this one is compliant with like Ryanair, Spirit, and some of those more budget airlines. So it's the skinnier one. I want to say, I'll put the dimensions in the description below, so I don't want to say the wrong thing, but this is what I'm going to use to pack. And then I'm also going to use packing cubes. So I have 2 large packing cubes and then a small one. So these are also on my site under packing essentials. I'll put the link below. But all right, so let me show you how I pack this. Alright guys, so you see I was easily able to fit everything into this super small rolling carry-on that is pretty much compliant for all major airlines, including budget airlines. Not really that heavy, but this is 2 weeks worth of things. I purposely left the toiletries out. Reason being, I usually like to put my toiletries in my personal item, so that way I can easily get to them if I want some like lotion or something like that on the flight. And it's easier to deal with when I'm going through security. I don't have to unpack this big bag. I can just have them in like my little tote or a purse or a backpack. Depending on where you're going, if you're going on vacation, a lot of times I don't really bring a computer. I just use my phone. But if you're like a digital nomad and you need your computer or something like that, or you're working remote, you can just bring a small backpack. But I'll just pop things like my toiletries, my phone charger, since I like to have that readily available at my seat on the flight. Phone, whatever you need, just bring it in a small bag, put it under your seat. But the bulk of everything you need should be able to fit in here. So I don't want to hear any more about you guys saying that it's too hard to pack for a weekend or a week in a carry-on. It's not. You just got to know the right strategies. So only pack what you need. Get you some compression packing cubes and just try it out. I think you can do it. Thanks for watching, guys.